Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about some of the top stories in Bitcoin. Absolutely a huge week for Bitcoin and crypto. Really excited to get into the stories for today. Elon Musk and Tesla made some big moves, sold a lot of their Bitcoin. We'll talk exactly how much in this video and what effect that has on the markets and will have in the weeks to come. Also, Coinbase jumping up in price after an announcement. We'll go over that in this video. And we'll talk about the markets as a whole. Quite a bit of news to cover in this one today. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't already, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're going to keep this content coming at you guys. 3 videos a day, 1 long form video and 2 shorts every single day. If you want to take advantage of a free referral code, we got some in links down below. Check that out as well. Let's take a peek at the markets here to start the day. So crypto back above $1 trillion market cap, guys. I've been talking about that in my recent videos. We popped up above it, and we had an absolutely momentous rally here. And you look at these charts, and Bitcoin's up 15% over the last 7 days. Ethereum, it's up 38% over the last 7 days. A lot of these coins are, guys. A lot of these coins are up right now. Some of the others that are huge movers have been Polygon and Avalanche, Shiba with a 12% move, Uniswap went pretty high up there a little bit. It retraced quite a bit in the last few days, actually. Uniswap went up on some Robinhood listing news, so that was some big news. But there's a lot happening in the market. Exchange tokens are doing well, 14% for FTX and 14% for Kronos over the last 7 days. So the markets are rebounding. I've been saying we've been consolidating long enough, and we're due for a rally. Now, some of the largest crypto YouTubers out there are still talking about $10,000 bottom for Bitcoin and maybe even below that. I don't know that. I don't know if that's going to happen. Is it possible? Absolutely. And I do believe that this is a relief rally, but it is hard for me to see Bitcoin going to 10,000, especially given some of the news in the markets lately. One of those stories being Tesla has dumped 75% of its Bitcoins after a year of touting it has long-term potential. So this is to do this Q2 earnings. They announced this, and they hit their earnings, which is good for the company. But they did also announce that they sold 75% of the Bitcoin. And Elon and Tesla have been very bullish on crypto and Bitcoin. And so today the markets actually took a dip because of it. But look at the price of these currencies, guys. Bitcoin was just below $20,000 forever. So yeah, it took a little dip today, but it was at $24,000 today, and it's still holding at $23,000. So tomorrow's going to be a really pivotal day, but this is bad news at a first glance. When I heard it, I was like, oh no. And then I look at the markets, I saw the effect, and then you think about it, and it's like, okay, they probably made some gains. They probably took some big profits. It probably helped them hit their Q2 earnings, and they still have billions of dollars in Bitcoin, which is, they have millions of dollars in Bitcoin because they had 1.5 billion last year. So they have millions of dollars of Bitcoin still, and Elon didn't necessarily sell his personal holdings, so that's something to keep in mind. Also, with this news, there was a dip, but it wasn't an extreme dip. We could have fallen right back down, and that could have been the end of the rally, but that's not quite what happened, and this is only a 4-hour-old story. So if we hold tomorrow and we continue to go up, then the markets are strong, and they're shaking off this kind of bearish news, which is really exciting to see. And also, I saw this one. I had to share this one with you guys. There is a Bitcoin price prediction for 2030 of $1 million. This is a big discussion. And, if Bitcoin continues to outperform gold and one day assumes a similar market cap to gold and surpasses it, then $1 million could be feasible, especially by, 2030. So is it going to happen? It's, that's a big prediction, but it's certainly possible. It's certainly possible. Another big story today, Coinbase jumped up 14% after saying that it had no exposure to some of these bankrupt crypto firms, which is really good news for Coinbase, which, that's an interesting thing. They just sent out a message saying, well, we didn't ever work with these guys. Oh, and now your stock goes up 14%. I think this is a little convenient. The markets were just at a good point, and this was a well-timed statement by Coinbase. So kudos to Coinbase on this one. But it is definitely helpful that they didn't have exposure to these crypto firms, and so this is a good story for Coinbase, which is one of the largest exchanges. So I think it's a good story for crypto as a whole as well. Coinbase is way down from its initial price offering back in last year, and people are looking for some gains there. So this was a great story to see. But guys, we're really in a bullish pattern right now. There's a lot going on, and I think that a lot of people are talking about a 30K Bitcoin soon, and that's certainly possible because that's just right here. I mean, we're very, very close to it, but you do have some others calling for $10,000 Bitcoin. So let's see what happens over the next week. Keep an eye on the regular markets. Keep an eye on your crypto, guys, and make sure that you're getting exposure to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then look at your altcoins. Love me some Zilliqa. Love some Crypto.com. If you like content on that, check out the rest of the channel. This is the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip. That's all I got for you in today's video. Take advantage of the free links in the description down below. There's free money for you when you sign up for Crypto.com and a free sign-up bonus for FeeMex. So take advantage of the free money. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Do not forget to smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel. And as always, guys, you got a DCA hodl. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.